I say, you just, yeah. I wanna groove. When you gonna let me? When you gonna let me? I wanna groove.
What's up, my Retro Game fans? I know it's been a few weeks since you've seen anything from Retro Rogue and Loop to Duke. Scheduling's been kind of off here, but this week I'm here to let you know that until we both get back in the saddle and can do a joint video together, that we're gonna try to get you guys at least 1 to 3, if possible, individual videos that we can post throughout the week. We're gonna get you a couple of side reels this week, and definitely we're gonna start off the week really awesome with Loot Crate unboxing. This is November's Loot Crate. I literally just got this in this morning, this Sunday morning. It was delivered to me at my door. I wasn't expecting it until Monday. Wow, it looks a little different from the regular Loot Crate boxes. As you can see, we have one right here. Let's see, it has attention looters. This crate is designed differently than any other crate before it. Please read the first page of the magazine to see how. I've already done the liberty of popping the seal, so let's get started. Loot Crate. Alright. Well, the first thing I do notice already is the inside is still very much decorative. This is, of course, the battle Loot Crate for this month. That's the theme, is battle. So, see what we got. Set that to the side. We'll get started on that in a second. Alright, we've got Assassin's Creed Unity bag. See what's inside there. Right there. See what we got inside. Oh, that's badass. It's an Assassin's Creed coin. That is bad ass. What? Damn. Diggity. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Mega Man mini helmet replica. Oh snap, the Mega is here, which is cool because, you know, I am a super picky collector, especially when it comes to, if I can get this open, especially when it comes to collector items and stuff. So I've always wanted something Mega Man, but I never really ever found anything that I want to pay for. Anything? Okay. Oh, it's tight. That is cool, man. Check that out. I mean, you know, you're not gonna put that on your head or anything. Got a little, looks like a little stand. Right on. Right there. Okay. See what else we got here. Of course, we got the Loot Crate November Battle Pin. Looks like it's got Mega Man and Ryu from Street Fighter on there. Pretty cool stuff. Alright. Let's see, Street Fighter. I don't know what this is. A Loot Crate exclusive. Open this. But I'm normally real big about not opening things. But I think I know what this is, so yeah, open it. Yes. Awesome. This is a Ryu headband, I believe. Goes like that. It's pretty awesome. That's cool. Alright, Halo. Which, the only good thing that I personally believe ever came out of Xbox, Microsoft game, it's Halo. They knew what they were doing. Open it up. Okay, cool. This is a metallic series figure. Looks like a Lego toy. Get this in here. Got a little gun. A little Lego stand you can stand on. Just play with that later. People, I got some codes for you guys. Oh snap. Because as much of a geek as I am, and with all the geekiness in the world that's going on, I like games. I like gaming. I especially like fighting games. Holy crap. You guys, man. Wow. This is awesome. I do have one code here for Steam. Everybody loves Steam. It's awesome. Awesome gaming platform. Gets you 50% off Lich Battle Merge. So I'm going to be posting that at the end of the video. I'll be posting that code so you can have that, and also let's see, this is the Mango Zizzle. Let's see what we got here. It said read the first page. Oh, shiznit. Battle crate instructions. This crate was designed with the intent of taking photos of your own epic battles. Visit LOOTCRATE.com, battle crate instructions for more info. Okay, what I'm looking at is super cool, super awesome. It would appear that there is some stuff to take apart. So yeah, I am going to take this apart and put it together, and at the end of this video we will see what I have come up with. Alright, so it is now time for the unveiling of the shirt. This is like the biggest part for me. I love the shirts. It is a Pirates versus Ninja shirt, and let's unravel this beast. That is badass, man. That's badass, yo. I wasn't feeling the last month shirt, not too, like, it was cool, but I'm not a cat person. But this, I will definitely sport the shit out of this. Hell yeah. So, that's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah! God, Loot Crate is awesome. Talk about this a little. This is the Assassin's Creed 4 Unity coin with velvet pouch, and I'll probably be packing this with me everywhere. I'm doing my Harvey Dent with it for real. It says only initiates of the Brotherhood and Templars will recognize this coin, which is adorned on one side with the seal of the assassins. On the opposite side, there is the space for looters to engrave their names below the logo. To engrave their names, listen, and truly make it one of a kind, a Loot Crate exclusive. So, I don't even know where you would go to get that done. I don't even think I would want to have that done. See what else we got here. Oh yeah, the Halo dropship minifigure. We're gonna put that together into this episode. We're gonna check that out. And like I said, this is a Street Fighter headband. I knew that. I am smart. What child? Yeah, so Loot Crate exclusive, November unboxing. Great Loot Crate. I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna post what everything looks like completely put together right at the end of this. Also, be looking for the code for this, so the first person to jot this code down and use it, good on you. Also, it looks like, and this looks cool, it's a full game download, value $20. Arcade edition of Street Fighter 4, Super Street Fighter 4 arcade edition. And tell you what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. It's first thing. So what I'm gonna do is you leave your comments up below this video right here. Post them right down here, and tell me, give Retro Rogue an idea, an inkling of how you feel about this month's Loot Crate, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and what you like about this video, and what you would like to see me improve on in this video. I will pick out a winner from that, and I will be contacting that winner and giving them the digital download code for the Steam Super Street Fighter 4 game, just to show my appreciation to all my retro games out there that support the show and support the channel. But it looks like that's going to be us out. I hope you like the way everything looked. Really am digging the Loot Crate festivities here. And this is Retro Rogue. Remember, it's the age of the geek. We rule the world. Peace.
Nice shade. Eugene. Yeah. I wanna groove. When you gonna let me?
When you gonna let me?
I wanna groove. When you gonna let me?
When you gonna let me?
I wanna groove with you tonight. When you gonna let me? I wanna groove. When you gonna let me?
When you gonna let me?
I wanna groove. When you gonna let me?
When you gonna let me?
I wanna groove with you tonight. When you gonna let me?